This is a 10 years old girl, and this is suprasternal view, and you can see there is a posterior shelf like projection and anterior also below the just subclavian artery, left subclavian artery. So this is the part of isthmus, and you can see the hypoplastic isthmus there. So it becomes a type 2 hematoclassification of coarctation of aorta. So let's see the gradient across this descending aorta where the coact is there. So if you see the gradient across this coact, the gradient is mean gradient is 28 mmHg and the maximum peak gradient is 62 mmHg. So you can see the diastolic telling of this spectrum here. So this is a color compare mode, and you can see the clearly the mosaic pattern in the coarctation, and you can see the post coact, you can see the dilatation of aorta. So this is a 3D view of this suprasternal view, and you can see the coact, and you can see the subclavian artery. Below that there is a coarctation. This is the color flow, and you can see clearly this is the 3D color. You can see clearly the mosaic pattern just below the coact, and along with that there is a gradient of 60, mean gradient of 28. So more than 20 mmHg gradient is sufficient to say. So this patient presented with a high BP, 10 years old girl, presented with a 180 by 100 mmHg BP, and she presented so that we searched the reason for the hypertension, and we had done this suprasternal view, and we have found she has a coarctation of aorta. Her femoral pulse is very feeble,